Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon macarons. First, let's master the shells. Begin with 100 grams of aged egg whites, whisking them to stiff peaks with 100 grams of granulated sugar for a stable meringue. Gently fold in 125 grams of sifted almond flour and 125 grams of powdered sugar. Mix until the batter flows like slow lava, a crucial step called macaronage. Pipe consistent 2-inch circles onto your baking sheet. Now for the star of our macaron, the zesty lemon curd filling. Whisk together 100 milliliters of fresh lemon juice, the zest of 2 lemons, and 100 grams of granulated sugar. Cook this mixture over low heat, slowly incorporating 3 egg yolks until it thickens beautifully. Remove from heat and stir in 50 grams of cold, unsalted butter until fully melted and smooth. Allow the curd to chill for at least 2 hours or until firm enough to pipe. With your perfectly baked shells and vibrant lemon curd ready, it's time for assembly. Make sure your macaron shells are completely cool to the touch, which usually takes about 30 minutes after baking. Pipe a generous dollop of the chilled lemon curd onto the flat side of one macaron shell. Then, gently place another shell on top, creating a delightful sandwich. For the best flavor and texture, let your assembled macarons mature in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Achieving perfect macarons takes practice, but these tips will help. Always use a kitchen scale for exact measurements. Baking is a science. After piping, tap your baking sheets firmly on the counter 2 or 3 times to release any trapped air bubbles. Allow the piped shells to rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms. Bake them in a preheated oven at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes, rotating halfway through for even cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.